really disappointed in myself because of the fact that I didn't have time these days to film for this channel. I really like film this kind of videos, I know, because it is a bit relaxing. But I have to tell you, from time to time I do not have the energy. When I go home I just want to listen to some music after the gym. And I have to tell you that I was very overwhelmed with work and so on. I don't know, what do you guys think about this? I really have the feeling that from time to time we have the... I feel like we get so busy working and doing things, of course, for ourselves, for earning money and so on, but we are too busy working and we don't have time to live and to actually enjoy things, you know. I'm not saying that doing this is my peak and best and best experience, but I do think that we could do a lot of activities that could, I don't know, make us appreciate life more, you know. Every time we wake up, we go to work, and from time to time I do really think that we do not have enough time for us to live and for us to do the things that we are supposed to do, you know, to enjoy time with our family, to I don't know, go to a barbecue and so on, to stay with our friends outside. I think I have this feeling because of the fact that it is summer, and I really enjoy staying out in the summer. I like to go to a coffee shop, to stay out and enjoy a coffee and, I don't know, something sweet, maybe some ice cream. But I'm a bit upset when I look back and realize that all the days pass and I didn't do as many things as I actually wanted, you know. I mean, you have always to be grateful for your life and for everything that you have in your life, and you have to try to achieve more every time. But I don't know, from time to time it gets overwhelming, and I do not have the energy to do the things that I'm supposed to do, you know. I focus all my energy, and I put all my energy into working, and I forgot how to live. And I really do think that there are a lot of guys, a lot of people like me that want to do something good, that want to work on themselves and to have their own business. And we focus too much on this and too little on the real value of life, you know, on, I don't know, spending time, as I said, with the people that we actually like and so on. I really want to get these things changed this year, and I have to tell you that none of my friends know about this channel, and I really hope that one day I can show them a big channel with, I don't know, 10,000 subscribers or more, and I can be proud of this. And the main thing which I wanted to address or to talk to you guys about was the fact that I really hope that in 2026 I will do a change in my life and in my small ecosystem, and how do you want to call it. And I want to try to live more and not to work less, because I'm the type of person that really enjoys working. I do earn money from actually doing things that I like, but like every job, everything takes a lot of time. Good things take a lot of time and a lot of effort from you, you know. And I really hope that I don't know, I will change this, and I will look back at the end of the year and say that finally I managed to, after years of hard working and of nights in front of the laptop, I managed to do something that I actually enjoy from the bottom of my heart. I'm not saying that I'm not enjoying my job right now, but that actually, I don't know, lets me that actually will let me live more and will let me have more personal time, you know, because I really do think that I was talking with some guys the other days that are older than me and have much more life experience, and they do not and they know a lot of things, and they told me, you know, with each hour that you spend in the night working when you are young, everything will be paid later in health, in I don't know, basically in health problems. And I really want to avoid this, because I do not having money and having everything that you want, but having no health is not good. It is a thing that you don't want to have in your life. You want to have, or I want to have, a balance between everything. I don't want to be stupid rich, to have millions and so on, because I really do think that since there are so many problems in the world, so many families that do not have what to eat, I really think that if I would have millions, it would be so stupid, because I think that I do not actually deserve these millions if there are people that do not have what to eat. You don't need that kind of money to be good in life. You do not need millions and millions of dollars, because it is stupid. It is actually stupid. Why would I need millions of dollars? Why would I need, I don't know, 10 homes and so on? Of course, these are dreams that you that you actually dream about, but you do not need them, because it is stupid. You don't have what to do with all these stupid things. You have to earn enough money in order to, I don't know, be free, but actually nobody is free in this life. But you have to be very relaxed, because the point of life, from what I could get until my age, is that you just need to relax more. Money is not running away, life is not running away. I think that everyone is in the middle-age crisis each year. I also have this problem, you know. I also believe that I don't know, every month passes so fast. I did not do enough things, but if I look back at the years, I do understand that I did a lot of things, and I'm in a good place in my life. I've worked a lot. I'm doing things. You do not need to rush anything. You need to be patient, and I think that we are living in a very dangerous world, because I don't know, everything is going so fast. You don't have time for anything. You want to do everything. You want to do everything fast. You want to do everything when you are teen. This is not good at all. I really believe that you have to be more and more patient. I'm working. I've been doing a TikTok detox, and I'm trying to quit short form, because I realized it was a big problem. I couldn't watch YouTube videos and so on just like this. I couldn't be watching them. I don't know why. I was just getting bored. You have to be more and more relaxed. You have to do things step by step. I really do think that, and I hope that from some of you guys that you listen to this message, you will understand that I don't know, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm not saying a smart thing, but I really do think this way, and I want to do something to improve my life. And it is not about money. It is because money will come if you are a hardworking person, if you are an honest person, if you are, I don't know, if you are doing legal things and everything is good, you're paying your taxes, you are being an honest person, everything will settle for you, and I can assure you. Because if it worked out for everyone that has been like this, why wouldn't it be working for you? We have to try to be more relaxed and to enjoy life more, because we are trying to do everything in such a short time, and it is not good at all. I really hope that you guys got a message from it, and you understood that yes, from time to time you have to sit back and relax and enjoy a chill time, you know, without, I don't know, doom scrolling on TikTok or on short form, because I can assure you that it is not good for you. I've been seeing, I don't know, maybe I'm over exaggerating, but I've been seeing some good results in me after doing this type of detox, and I'm really proud of it, and I encourage you guys to do the same. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will too enjoy, and you will too try to have a better life in terms of how happy you are with it. See you guys in the next video.